Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play Song 2 by Blur. It's a really easy song to play. Before we start, remember to subscribe to the channel. The song is in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. We're going to learn two different riffs from the song, and those are the one that they use on the verse and the one that they use on the chorus. When they play the intro, they mix both of them. So we take a look at the one that they use on the verse, and it starts like this. We're going to play only power chords, and we place the index finger on the fret 8th, 5th string. At the same time, ring finger on the fret 10, 4th string, and pinky finger, fret 10, 3rd string. And we play that 2 times. After that, we lift the fingers, but we keep touching the strings because those X that we have there is percussion. We have to do like this. Okay, down stroke, up stroke, like that. Okay, what I do when I have to do percussion is that with the index finger, I do like if I want to play a bar, but I don't push the strings, I don't press the strings. I only have the finger a little bit there. In that way, any string sounds. Okay, you get it? Okay, and then we move the same position to the 6th fret. So we get 6th fret on the 5th string, 8th fret on the 4th string, and 8th fret on the 3rd string. And we play that power chord 3 times. Okay, so we get. Get it? After that, we lift again the fingers and we play like we did before. Down, up. And that's the first measure. Okay, and then we come to the second measure and we move the same position to the 11th fret with the index finger. So it becomes 11th fret, 13 and 13. We play that chord 2 times. After that we move the same position to the fret 13 with the index finger, and we play that only 1 time. And after that to the fret 15. And we play that one 5 times. So it becomes like this. Okay, that's the second measure. So when I put together the measure 1 and 2, it sounds like this. Okay, I show you one more time. Okay, so now let's try to play it together. Pay attention that we start with a rest. So when I count, we're going to do a little pause there. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Okay, a little pause. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, and now let's try to repeat it. We play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. Okay, let's try a little bit faster. And we play it 2 times again. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so that's the riff that they use on the verse, and they use it on the intro as well. So now let's take a look at the riff that they use on the chorus. It starts with the same power chord, but this time with the index finger we're going to hold down at the same time the 8th fret of the 6th string. So we have a half bar holding down the 6th and 5th string on the 8th fret. So now we play 4 strings. And we play that chord 4 times. Then we move the same position to the 6th fret. And we play it 4 times as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. With the right hand I play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But it's not so fast, so it works also if you want to play all of them like down. Okay, both ways work. And then we come to the next measure and we move the same position to the fret 11 and we play that 2 times only. The rhythm on this measure is the same as we played on the second measure, where we played. But now we do the same, putting that extra tone on the 6th string, like we did on the other chords. So we play that 2 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right hand, the same as we talk about on the third measure. Down, up, or if you prefer, all of them down. You choose which one suits you better. So when we put together the measure 3 and 4, sounds like this. Okay, so let's try to play that together. 1, 2, 3, and... And again we have to repeat that, so let's try to play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Again. When they use this riff on the intro, they play it 4 times. But when they play it on the chorus, they play it 3 times. And then the 4th time, we come to the measure 5. It's like this. We have the first measure, but this time we play it 8 times. Then we move to the 11th fret, whole measure, and then to the 4th. And then we're going to play 2 measures with that one. So it's 8 times with that one, 8 times that one, and 16 times. Or if you prefer, I prefer to count the beats. So it's 4 beats, 4 beats, 8 beats, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try from the measure 5 together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And after that, you just have to repeat. And that was song 2 by Blur. Remember that if you want to get the tabs for this song, just visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, and you're going to find them there, and many other videos with the tabs. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to get more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.